VA Home Loan Video School.
VA Home Loan Video School, Class Module 4.
Some myths about VA loans. Myth number 1. The veteran can only use his or her entitlement once. Fact. VA entitlement never expires, so a veteran can use VA entitlement multiple times in his or her lifetime. Some restrictions apply. A veteran who purchased a home using VA entitlement can sell that home such that the VA loan is paid off in full and purchase another home with VA entitlement. This process can be repeated many times in a lifetime. Slightly different rules apply if the veteran wants to keep a home he or she bought with VA entitlement, turn it into a rental for example, and then buy another principal residence using VA. Contact us for details. Myth 2. The veteran has to be a first-time homebuyer. Fact. VA loans can be completed for borrowers who presently own a home, as long as the home being purchased will be occupied as the principal residence. Myth number 3. The Department of VA sets the credit score requirement. Fact. The VA doesn't set credit score requirements. Lenders place their own restrictions on the minimum FICO score accepted by their institution for VA financing. This is commonly set at 580 to 600 or higher. Myth number 4. A veteran who has a VA loan cannot get another one while retaining the one he or she has. Fact. Using what's known as second-tier entitlement, the VA does allow a veteran under certain circumstances to obtain a second VA loan while continuing to pay on an existing VA loan. Using second-tier entitlement typically comes into play when there's forced reassignment and relocation with the service. How to apply for a VA loan. It's important to work with a local, easily accessible lender that's very experienced with VA loans. Here are some essential documents to gather as you prepare to contact us and apply for your VA home loan. 1. If discharged, a copy of your DD-214 honorable discharge. There are other forms of discharge papers issued before the DD-214 came into use in 1950. Check VA archives at www.archives.gov/veterans/military-service-standard-form-180.html if you cannot locate yours. Most veterans who separated from their service, generally pre-1992, can obtain their DD-214 from the National Personnel Records Center, or NPRC. For NGB 22 for National Guard and CG 4175 Coast Guard are also acceptable proof of service documents for your VA loan. If active duty, a current statement of service signed by or by the direction of the Adjutant, Personnel Office, or Commander of the Unit or Higher Headquarters showing your full name, Social Security number, date of birth, entry date on active duty, the duration of any lost time, the name of the command providing the information. 2. Certificate of eligibility. Either you or your lender can order a certificate of eligibility from vip.vba.va.gov, which needs to be in your lender's closed file to secure the VA guarantee insurance. 3. The lender will need to document the most recent 2 years federal income tax returns along with W-2s, 1099s, and other tax forms as applicable to your type of income. 4. At least a full month's payroll statements. 5. If receiving fixed income such as disability, pension, etc., gather the corresponding award letters. 6. At least 2 months' bank statements and other asset-related documents such as 401k IRA, cash value of life insurance, etc. 7. Government-issued photo ID and copy of Social Security card for all borrowers and usually non-borrowing spouses. 8. Bankruptcy discharge letter if applicable. 9. Divorce and child support court papers if applicable. 10. Letters of explanation for any credit-related problems such as late payments and collections. 11. If you presently own a home, the lender will most likely ask you for a recent mortgage coupon statement along with proof of property taxes and insurance.
For more exciting information about VA loans, ask your homeownership professional for our free video or online e-brochure entitled 13 Amazing Facts About VA Loans You Didn't Know. We hope you found this informative. We encourage you to get back to the real estate professional who led you to this class and wish you the best as you prepare for homeownership.